It's time to take a look at the first ever foldable phone from Google, and we even get the price of the Google Pixel Fold. Before starting off, make sure to subscribe. The expected release date for the Pixel 4 was last year with the Pixel 7 and 7 Pro, but as per new rumors and confirmed news, Pixel Fold is coming in the Google I/O event in May, and you could actually hands-on to your Pixel 4 somewhere in June, surely in the second week of June. Now this information was revealed from a listing, and it also confirms a couple of more things about the Google Pixel Fold, including storage options that we are going to get on the Pixel Fold. The database information revealed that Pixel 4 will going to come with the 256 gigs variant. For now, it is not confirmed either we are going to get the 512 gigs, but the base variant will be 256 gigs and there will be no 128 gigs version available. Let me know in the comments, are you guys excited about the Pixel Fold? If you guys are concerned about the price of the Pixel Fold, then we have mixed information on this, and I actually tell you the price. Where the first rumors confirm that Pixel Fold will cost you around 1700 euros in the European market, and as per Yogesh, Google Pixel Fold will cost you around $1300 to $1500. Due to inflation, we might see big numbers in European market, but US pricing for the Pixel Fold will be around $1300 to $1500, much cheaper than the Galaxy Z Fold 4 and even upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 5. As per confirmed news, Pixel 4 will going to feature a last year Tensor Gen 2 chipset which was used in the Pixel 7 and 7 Pro. And that could be the reason for Google to launch Pixel 4 before the launch of Pixel 8 with the Tensor Gen 3. As per storage options, we're going to get 256 gigs version and 12 gigs of RAM will be available in the Pixel Fold. The phone will come with 7.7 inches inner display and will have 5.8 inches outer display, a bit smaller than the Galaxy Z Fold 4. For now, it is not confirmed what camera options we're going to get in the Pixel Fold, but as a safe guess, it will be same as Pixel 7 Pro, which is 50 megapixel main shooter, 48 megapixel telephoto, and 12 megapixel ultra wide. To say the least, battery is something I'm concerned about since Pixel 7 Pro is not the best phone when it comes to battery life. Let's see what Google would do with the Pixel Fold. If you guys want to see the Z Fold 5 feature that no other foldable would have, then make sure to watch this video and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.